Welcome to Crewe. This is a quick video tour of this new approved used Arona in our stock. This is the Arona 1.0 TSI and this is a 115 PS 6-speed manual vehicle. Comes in the colour of Eclipse Orange metallic paint with the black contrast midnight black roof. Got the exclusive front and rear FR bumpers and also the full LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. This vehicle comes with these 17-inch alloy wheels and we've got the black contrast side mirrors with the LED strip indicators on as well. This vehicle does also have the dynamic headlight range adjustment, self-adjusting while driving, and it does come with the FR detailing on the back of the vehicle as well. Inside is a very large boot space with access to putting the back seats down and the parcel shelf down to create extra room if needed. In the back we've got the vehicle is fitted with the FR upholstery with quite a nice mounted legroom, the FR detailing on the seats, and it is in black cloth interior with electric window switches. Again, the front seats do coordinate with the back seats with the FR detailing, the red trim and this pattern detailing on the seats. 5 seats inside and it is a very nice large sized vehicle. Got electric window switches and the headlight adjustment just there, control. There we've got the dashboard display and it's fitted with the black FR Sport flat base steering wheel in black leather with the red bespoke trim. Using this you can adjust what you view, whether it's the radio or change on here. So here we've got the aux cable and USB input down there. Dial's just there and we do have access here to full link, mirror link, vehicle features, radio, DAB and a few other different options as well. Very easy to use, simply touch on the one you want to view. There we go. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to pop down to Crewe to book a test drive or give us a call on 01270 864 430. Thanks very much for your time.